Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you can access the email account and any two-factor method. This prevents lockouts mid-restore. Once logged in, search for the exact backup subject, sender, or file name so you don't grab the wrong file. Make sure you identify the file type and size. This tells you how to handle extraction and whether you need more storage space locally. If it's large, plan a stable network or download manager to avoid corruption during transfer. You download the backup into a single dedicated folder to keep the process tidy and reversible. Once the download finishes, verify integrity using any provided checksum or by opening a safe preview. This confirms the file isn't corrupted. Next, extract the archive into a separate staging folder. Do not overwrite production files yet, so you can inspect contents and config files. Make sure permissions and timestamps look correct. If something's off, stop before proceeding and troubleshoot. You now perform the actual restore using the application's import or restore utility, following its prompts to map settings and avoid conflicts. Once done, restart relevant services and test critical functions, logins, transactions, or sample records to confirm success. Verify data integrity against original summaries or counts. If you encounter errors, check application and system logs first. If corruption or mismatches appear, re-download the backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.